Hello, my name is Christine Nazleen Wolhard and I am a scientist. But if you asked my mother that what I am or what I want to become, she would definitely said that anything but not a scientist because scientist बनना तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है. But trust me, difficult things always fascinated me. I was born in Magdeburg, Germany during the war on October 20, 1942. Ever since I was a child, I was always curious about nature. While other kids of my age used to play with dolls, I was always looking at insects and used to wonder कि इतनी छोटी सी मक्खी इतनी perfect कैसे है. As I grew up, I became more interested in genetics and developmental biology. Here, the big question arises how this little tiny single cell transform itself into a new perfect organism. It's like you are reading a mystery novel where every clue led to deeper secrets. In the 1970s, I worked at the University of Tübingen where I was more focused on embryonic development. Here, I was already knew that to study more about how life forms, I needed a model organism, and that's when I teamed up with Eric and we together picked up Drosophila, a humble fruitful insect or fly for our experiment. Now you may ask, eat makhi really? But let me tell you guys, this little insect have all the key to understand how living organism works or how living organism develop. Our goal was simple, but it was challenging. To find out the genes that shape the embryo, we used a technique called mutagenesis. In this, we introduced some mutations in the fly embryo and later observed what went wrong. You heard me right. Our first experiment didn't go well, but never mind, because some of the flies have no head and some of the flies have developed several wings. So you can say, एक meme है ना कि science experiment totally gone here. So it was like that. From this experiment, we found out 3 major types of genes that are very important, and these are involved in the body formation. First, gap genes. These genes define the large section of the body. Second, pair rule genes. These genes divide the body into segments. Third, segment polarity genes. These genes decide the back and front portion of each segment. And guess what? This gene didn't only work on the insect, they also work on humans. Isn't it amazing, right? In the 1995, our work finally won the Nobel Prize. और ये तो असली जीत का मैदान था. And let me tell you कि winning a Nobel Prize doesn't happen overnight. It requires a lot of hard work and dedication towards it. Because science is a test of patience, persistence and passion. Even today, I encourage the young scientists कि अगर तुम्हारे पास कोई बड़ा सवाल है तो तुम्हारे पास उसका जवाब ढूंढने की भी हिम्मत होनी चाहिए. If you have a big question, then you must have the courage to seek the answer. At last, I would just like to say that always remember कि सोचो अगर एक छोटी सी मक्खी पूरी साइंस की दुनिया बदल सकती है तो तुम तो फिर भी एक इंसान हो. तुम तो कुछ बड़ा कर ही सकते